Wasgamuwa is not only home to elephants and birds. Beneath its calm ponds and rivers lives another world that often goes unseen. The small freshwater fish, the Ashoka barb, with its silvery sheen and gentle black marking, is endemic to Sri Lanka. It is mostly found in the Mahavali basin, but its world is fragile. Pollution, habitat change, and overfishing have placed the Ashoka barb among Sri Lanka's endangered species. Let's protect the countless lives that depend on these waters.